So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to do group discussion on a topic. Just I am telling you, should there be more focus on mental health awareness in schools? Okay. So now we are going to discuss about mental health. Okay. In short, we can say that today we are going to discuss about a topic mental health for student life or in schools. So one by one I will invite for group discussion. First I am inviting Paridhi. Paridhi, please come on the sheet. Yashraj, Ayush, Harsh, Tejal, Ishika. Okay, so now we are going to start this discussion on a mental health. Okay, so first we will tell our audience, and student will let you know about what is mental health and why mental health is means mental health is necessary for everyone. Means actually we are more focusing on our all over the our health. So in if we talk about mental health, so it's an important part of our health. Means it's an just like an if we talk about computer, so CPU is the main part, or just like central processing unit is the main part of the computer, brain of the computer. So that's called about our mind is our brain. Means totally dependent on our mind, we totally dependent on our mind or our mental health. If we are just like heal, or just like if we are good condition, so we can do anything. Means whatever you want to achieve, means whatever you want to get in your life, just you have to do, you can get. Means lots whenever your mental health or your mental condition is good. So now are you ready? Okay. So next, Paridhi will start first. Paridhi will initiate this topic, mental health awareness. Yes.
So yes, sir, mental health awareness is very important because mental health is all about emotions and what we are going through in life, and if we are sad or we are happy, it's mental health. And mental health should be important. Means there should be a topic in school about mental health, so student can uh, student can understand about how to heal themselves. It's like so many students get panic attacks also. So there are so many counseling sessions for them to control their mental health and don't get these type of attacks.
So according to me, it is really important because there are many benefits. If in school they are telling about mental health, they can have improvement in their academics and academics performance, because if they are getting about the mental health and that problem, so they can overcome of that problem, and they can easily just heal, and they will not means get that much panic about that thing, and like that. And they can also have improvement in their enhancing life skill, means by getting these things they can means increase their life skill activity and knowledge, means how it affects our body and how to overcome of that and how it causes.
So it's good. Actually, nowadays so many awareness in schools, like just like if we talk about gender discrimination, so there has lots of gender discrimination awareness of school students and teachers, as well as means all school staff and all unions. But actually, if we talk about mental health, I think no one are talking about, no one is talking about mental health, because if the child mental condition, or just like if your mind will be stable, so you will be more focused on your study. Means whatever you want to do, you will be more focused. So means how you can say that, means mental health awareness is good for all schools, or means all places, just like for all education places, or just like doctors also, they can suggest some mental health awareness programs, they can organize also.
Yes, I am agree with you.
mental health awareness should be included in all schools so that classes can cover topics understanding emotions and managing stress, and where students can feel comfortably in discussing about mental health awareness.
Very good. Actually, means you have to suggest the ideas. How can we means more aware? Students in schools just her suggest some base.
Sir, if we talk about schools, and we can aware a mental health student, and we can learn him anything very easily, and they get focus on board, and by showing him some ideas, like if we play some games, and after we do study, and if we if we give some if we give some treats or chocolates, and if we said if animal will come first in test, so we will give him chocolates.
Actually, you are saying right, but actually we have to focus on more means on more on that kind of students means who are weak in subjects, who are weak in studies. Means actually they have a very good mind, great mind. Means they want to be a very successful, but actually they have no proper guidance. Means how to deal with their mind. Sometimes some problems means some depression, anxiety. Means so many kinds of things. Sometimes actually some home just like some home quarrels between mother and father, and there is lots of student fighting and all. So sometimes they just mind it. So we have to aware though means all the students means just you have to means not tense so much. You have to share some doubts, you have to share information, you have to share your point of views with your parents and as well as teacher. Okay, Ayush, what do you want to say?
Sir, in my opinion, mental health is that like you have some stress or something in your mind that has been going from several days, and also sometimes you get troubled or get something that you got quizzed by something, or not able to do some work that you want to do, and sometimes by overstudying or overthinking, you do not get able to think anything that you want. That's all about my points.
Yes, Raj.
So according to me, mental health awareness is very much important for schools and also some other places like hospitals and other things, because first I will let you know what is mental health. Mental health is a thing in which there are many things like our focus and many other things. There is a part of mental health, subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is most powerful mind of our all the mental health, because if we think anything by mental health by subconscious mind, like we can do it, so we can definitely do it in real life, and that's why the mental health is also important in all the places.
Yes. Actually, subconscious mind is very important. Actually, if your mind is stable, so you can do whatever you want. Means again and again I'm telling you this point. Means your mind, if your mind is stable, because means everything is your mind. Means all things depend on your mind. Means whatever you will do in future, whatever are you doing in just like in present time, and means whatever have you done in your past. So all these things totally dependent on your subconscious mind. Okay, just actually so many schools sometimes teachers beat them, that kind of students, those who are not good in study, but actually they have to encourage that. Means just if they just want to learn, means they have no facilities at their home of just like we can say, means environment has very much focus. Means environment is very important for everyone, because means we are doing or we are creating environment for spoken English classes here. So many students are means they are weak, means they are just average, or they are just best or good. So means all of these students are able to communicate with each other because I am providing this kind of environment. Because actually we are talking about every kind of topic or each kind of topic means regarding student performance and as well as their physical performance, mental performance, means every kind of topic be just like communicate with each student. Okay, next I am inviting some other students for continuing this topic. Okay, next Kush, Shivansh, yes, you can go now. Kush, Shivansh, Christy, Manvi, Harshit, Shamyak and Divyansh. Please come on the stage. Purvi. Yes, Shamyak and Divyansh, come here. Yes, come here. Okay, so now we will continue this topic. Means, have you ever, just come here. Have you ever faced, you have to share your personal point of views. Have you ever faced some mental problems, some mental illness, sometimes depression, anxiety? Just you have to share. Actually, you have to share with your parents as well as your teachers, means your colleagues. Means, if you are comfortable to share with me, so you can share with me. Actually, I already told you so many times. If you have any doubt, if you have any kind of means problem in your mind related to your study, any other home activities, and any kind of problem, just you can share with me. Actually, we cannot completely solve them, but actually we have to just create an idea for solving this for solving that kind of problem. Okay, so just you have to share your personal experience and how to deal with mental awareness and mental awareness means how can we grow mental awareness programs in schools, colleges, coachings, as well as all the educational places. Okay, Christy will start.
Okay, so I think that yeah, everyone goes with some just like sir also told that some quarrel between their parents and something they get to their heart or they get hurt about those things. So they always keep their that thing in their heart, and when they have to focus on something, so that thing comes into their mind, and they always have a doubt. So I think that these should be solved, but not it cannot be solved properly, but it can solve a bit so that we can feel better. So we can do some exercises. We should try a lot and try as much as we can to feel better and to forget all the things which happened with us. Thank you.
Okay, Manvi, you can share your personal kind of.
Okay, so in my opinion, as I face, there is not that much difficulty because sometimes there is pressure of study, like there is more things which we have to do, but we have not that much time like we do. So we get some pressure like we don't have time. How can we complete it in? How can we complete it soon? So there are some things which I got depressed, but I make a schedule by which I can complete it properly and not get that much stress or depression. So it is.
So I think there not be more things that I face in mental health, but yes, it is true that mental health awareness is very important.
So according to me, I have not so faced any kind of depression, anxiety because I have not any too much pressure of study, but sometimes I get
Not much pressure of study.
I have not so much pressure of studies, but sometimes like exams are coming, exams are coming. So my parents force me to study more and more.
According to me, student coming to a senior class, they have many load and stress of education, and they get depression of study and according to me, teacher should tell about this how to heal, and many students don't ask from our parents and teachers. I am depressed, and their doubt is not clear, so they don't ask from teacher because they they thought that I ask from teacher, so I and they shame this, and so I want to I want I will ask from all the teachers and all the teachers, please.
Okay, just think. Ask the mic.
Okay, so our mental health is depend on our mind. What is our mind thinking? If we have a good thinking and positivity, so we can never touch any mental issue happen with us. And also there is a main role of our parents and teacher in this type of mental health, because these are the only person who makes our mental health good. And sometimes some people just like some of our friends make the negative outlook, that we think negative. So we have to always positive to take off this mental health issues, because this type of problem we have, if we have this type of problem, so we have a very difficulty in our life.
So I never face any type of problems like depression, but I have a pressure of study. Like I have to do smart work because I have lots of courses, but I don't have that much time. Only I have this problem.
Divyansh.
So I have also not too much mental health issue, because I have no more stress. And but I want to say that, but sometimes like in exam in 2024 NEET exam paper leaked, so many students are failed and so many students are scored low, so they depressed, and they they thought that they didn't cross the NEET. And also, so that's.
So I think that yes, they all told the many things, but I also think that there should be awareness in schools and also some teaching about the mental health, because so many students are getting depressed, or some things are there in their mind about studies, also about some personal things, so they get depressed or all overthink about that. So I think that there should be awareness in schools, and also we should do less overthinking, and we should less think about that. Thank you.
Yes, actually, we have all discussed about mental health awareness. So, mental health awareness is necessary for all the schools, coachings, means all the educational places, means those parents who are watching this video. So, just means you have to take care of your student or children, as well as you have to ask the question about, means if they are feeling depressed, anxiety, means what problems they are facing. Just you don't beat the student, just you have to listen their opinions, means what they want to become, what they want to do. Actually, sometimes we focus on that students, means we want to fulfill our dreams, not student. Some parents are, means those not much aware about their means they have not fulfilled their dreams, so they just have you on their students. So you have to become a doctor, just you should become a doctor, you should become an engineer, that kind of things, means they more forced on their children. But actually we have to understand the condition of that kind, means our student or our child, means if they have an qualities to become a doctor, become an engineer. So let's we complete this topic here. Yes, Kus want to say something?
According to me, mental health is mental in schools. The teachers are doing some activities, and showing the students the right path. They tells that student so many options, so student get confused and get that way as a burden.
So I have one point. So in India, the education level is very high, but the skill level is very low. So I want to tell all the student, please don't please don't all the focus in our education. Please some focus in our skills.
Okay. So Sivan just want to say that actually don't focus only on studies. Just you have to focus means other skills also. Actually nowadays means there is a big problem of our country all over the world. Actually some skill-less degrees. Actually some you have a degree of engineering, you have degree of means doctor, you have degree of means any kind of education have you completed, higher education and some graduation, post graduation, but you have no more knowledge about that. So just you have to means grow your skills as well as your studies. So now we conclude this topic here. Means you have to means we should aware more students, more kids in schools as well as just like our educational places. Okay. So please, if you like this video, so please share, comment and subscribe our channel. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye everyone.